Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very real, raw, more unedited solo mom routine of 3 girls. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lindsay and I have 3 girls age almost 9, 7, and 5. Before we get into today's video, I have been wearing these pieces non-stop, so I have to tell you about it. This is the new drop from Ana Luisa. It is a floral collection, and let me tell you, I love it so much. It is so dainty and pretty. You can see they have little flowers on here with some little hearts, and I love something that I can wear every day. Because I'm a busy mom of 3, I don't like something that's too in your face or too chunky or something that feels uncomfortable to wear. That's why I love Ana Luisa so much, and this collection is beautiful and you guys are absolutely gonna love it. There are so many reasons why I continue to wear Ana Luisa jewelry and have for so many years. One of them is their 2-year warranty. I love how high quality it is. I mean, their jewelry is hypoallergenic and it's designed to be tarnish proof and waterproof, which is awesome, especially if you're a busy mom like me. It is also sweat proof. I also love that Ana Luisa's pieces start at $50, so you're not breaking the bank to buy this jewelry. You don't have to splurge on like a one piece of jewelry. You can get a whole collection for like a really affordable price. Honestly, this jewelry is the foundation of my daily stack because it just goes with everything. Like whether you are dressed casual one day or you're going out somewhere and you want to wear something a bit fancier, this jewelry just goes with everything, and that's why I love it so more. They're timeless, they're classic pieces, and they are good quality. I seriously love this stack because it actually feels like summer. I love the flowers so much. This is probably my favorite drop yet, and you guys are gonna love it. You guys know that I have talked about Ana Luisa for years now, and I wear their jewelry every single day. I am obsessed, and I would not recommend something that I didn't love myself. So check out Ana Luisa in the description bar. Down below, I will have a link to where you can purchase this beautiful collection and treat yourself for the summer, because like seriously, how perfect is this? So it is 4:11 right now. I just got the girls from school. I have not been home all day, so when I say this is like a real vlog, I have laundry I have to put away. I haven't even made the beds upstairs yet. There are currently dishes in my sink, and I was helping my parents with yard work, so that's why I was gone all day. I feel like the summer my house tends to get neglected, so we need to clean up and I need to cook dinner. I have to feed my kids. They got their report cards today, so I was debating whether or not we should go to dinner, but Colin's gonna be late tonight, so I'd rather him be able to celebrate their school year with us, so we'll do that another night. So I think I'm gonna cook some steaks on the Blackstone, maybe do like steaks, French fries, and like a Greek salad, because that sounds really good. And yeah, I just need to clean up but I'm gonna start by emptying the dishwasher and then loading all of the dirty dishes in the sink into the dishwasher. So let's go.
I could have gone easy on you. I could have been easier to please. Cold December, reminiscent all the good things. Was it better than I ever thought it was? No, I want more out of love. I let you believe I casually lie, though I've never lied to you. I'd never do. Believe I'm the only one who's carrying the deepest scar.
Outside right now with Olivia. I'll show you her in a second. She's my water baby, so she constantly wants to be in the pool. It's just a small one from like Canadian Tire, but it's like the best thing Colin ever bought. Say hello. Like, it's not that big, but we just put it here and we have the umbrella and she loves it. Right, Liv? Go ahead.
I think it's a wolf.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good. I love you.
I love you too.
So the propane, I can't turn it. It's like stuck, so we're using the old school barbecue to cook these steaks from Costco. So let's just do that. Yeah, in a sec, honey. and we'll get the steaks on. No, I cannot. You have to wait till I'm done, sweetheart, okay? I'll find you. So the steaks are on the barbecue, and I have leftover potato salad from the weekend. So that's what we're gonna have, and then I'm just making a Greek salad to go with the steak. Really, only me and Reese like salad, but I forced the other two girls to eat some because they need to start liking salad. And my oldest daughter just had a meltdown and went upstairs to her room, so love that for me. Salad tonight too, right? Yes.
The only problem, though you never owned up to yours, this has gotten old. This has gotten old. This has gotten old. This has gotten old. Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you.
No making faces.
I just said I love pie.
The girls are having leftover pie from, can you move, honey, please, from Father's Day. This one ruined my stomach. I can't have it.
Why?
Because there's whipped cream.
lemon.
Lemon's okay. There's whipped cream in it. Oh my gosh. Like I died.
Lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. In times that are changing and when hope is fading, I know I can turn to your embrace. 'Cause there's so much beauty under your heaven, and I'm grateful every day. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I lean on you and I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my.
Showed you guys the teacher gifts for this year, but I just got some thank you cards because they're just good to have, and I'm gonna write all the teachers a little note. But I thought these glasses were so pretty. I love them so much. I honestly would be so happy to receive these. So it's a set of 2, and obviously these ones have cherry. So I bought all the cherry ones that they have left, and then I got some lemon ones because I thought they were so cute for summer. And I had to buy for 5 teachers. So each of the teachers are getting one of these, a thank you card. And then Olivia wanted to give this to her teacher because it has Olivia on it. And she's like, well, she'll always remember me. So I wanted to give her this lunch bag. So I have to wrap these at some point because the girls only have like 2 days left of school. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. But I just thought I would show you guys because I thought they were so cute. This is what my bedroom looks like, so we need to fix this problem.
Say you love me, say you don't. Just give me something so I can move on. Pull me closer or push me away. Let me know if we'll be okay. 'Cause I can't stand another moment of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing.
I'm just gonna put some clothes away for the kids because if I don't, they have no underwear for school tomorrow. So I need to put some clothes away.
Morning, I won't stay another night. If you're feeling something for me, say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever.
Done baths, and I'm gonna bring this, oh, this is so heavy, downstairs, just so that I can get a load of laundry started, and then that way I'll put it in the dryer, and then in the morning I just have to take the clothes out of the dryer and put them away.
With your love, sometimes you don't.
Got the girls to bed. Now I have to edit the video, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.